Alright, Remy, today's the day. Anton Ego is coming tonight, so that means if we mess up, it'll be washing dishes for the rest of my life. Good morning.
Good morning.
What have you done to prepare for the big day?
So we've been prototyping, we did measurements on all our parts, and we started a CAD.
Great work, keep it up.
Yeah, have a great day.
Hey, how's everything going over here?
Everything's going great. We've been making great progress generating slurp code for our new mini slurp and creating new line light commands.
Nice job.
Thank you.
How's it going today?
Good. This past week, Mechanical has been working on the drivetrain, and we currently just got it. Now we just have to wire it, and then once we're done, we send it off to program.
Nice job. Hello.
Hello.
What have you been cooking up?
We've been updating our social media as well as our website, and we've continued with our sponsorships and grants.
That's amazing for Anton.
Great.
Tonight's dish is a collaborative effort. We've been working for a while to perfect it.
Interesting. Collaboration often reveals weaknesses. This dish, it's delectable.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.